Hi everyone, Ruhul Amin here. Today, I'm super excited to introduce a game-changing grooming tool for men, the Gillette All-Purpose Styler. Whether you're trimming, shaving, or edging, this all-in-one tool has you covered. Plus, it makes an excellent holiday gift for the men in your life. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more in-depth reviews on top. Gillette All-Purpose Styler, Beard Trimmer. And as always, check out the affiliate link in the description and first comment to grab your very own Gillette Styler. Let's take a look at what's inside. 1 trimmer, engineered with Braun technology for ultimate precision. 1 ProGlide blade refill, ensuring a smooth, close shave. 3 comb attachments, 2 mm, 4 mm, and 6 mm for customizable lengths. 1 AA battery, so you're ready to go right away. A convenient organizer, keeping everything neat and accessible. This compact kit has all you need for effortless grooming at home or on the go. The Gillette All-Purpose Styler is packed with features that make grooming simple and enjoyable. Waterproof and shower-safe, trim, shave, or edge right in the shower, no worries about water damage. 3 comb sizes, switch between the 2 mm, 4 mm, and 6 mm combs to style your beard or body hair to perfection. Braun-engineered technology. The ergonomic design ensures a comfortable grip for precise control. 5-blade compatibility. It works with all Gillette Fusion5 blade refills, making replacements easy to find. Trim. Attach one of the combs to evenly trim your facial or body hair to your desired length. Edge. Use the precision trimmer for sharp, clean lines and finishing touches. Shave. Swap the trimmer for the ProGlide blade to enjoy a smooth, close shave. It's that simple. Let's quickly tackle some common questions about the Gillette Styler. What's the battery life? The AA battery lasts 1 to 1.5 months with average use. Can I use it in the shower? Absolutely. The styler is 100% waterproof. Is it compatible with other blades? Yes. It works with any Gillette Fusion5 refill. Here's why this tool stands out. Versatility. It's an all-in-one solution for trimming, shaving, and edging. Durability. Built with Braun technology for long-lasting performance. Convenience. Perfect for grooming at home or on the go. Ready to upgrade your grooming game? The Gillette All-Purpose Styler is available now. Click the link in the description to get yours today and start mastering your style like never before. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more product reviews and grooming tips. See you next time.